Hello, God bless you. Thanks for tuning in once again. Here I have a very beautiful stone bead earrings, and I'm going to be showing you guys in this tutorial how to design a dangling earring. So guys, stay tuned and see how I use this head pin to design a beautiful dangling earring with a stone bead. So guys, just go straight ahead to design this beautiful earring, but as you keep watching, I'll just let you know the materials I used in designing these beautiful dangling earrings. My materials are here on the table. I have my cutter, I have my plier, I have my beads, I have my round pin for the ear, and I have a little beads 2 millimeters that I'm using to design this dangling earring. So guys, just keep watching and see how I got to make it. I made for 2 ears. So if you don't see the first one, you see how I made the second one. And if your head pin is bent, just try your best to straighten it up with your hand, because sometimes it comes bent in the packet. So your own is what to straighten it, so you'll be able to fix in your beads and get it straight. Please, if this is your first time of watching me, subscribe, like, and put on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I come on live or each time I upload new videos. And if you are a returning viewer, a returning subscriber, thank you very much. God bless you. Thanks for always coming back to watch my videos, and thanks for your comment. Thanks for sharing my tutorials also. May God richly bless you. So guys, keep watching, watch to the end and get how the tricks I used in making this beautiful dangling earrings. It looks so beautiful. When you want to start tutorial, sometimes it looks scattered in the table, but when you really know what you want to do and you know how to go about it, at the end you see that you'll be doing a very good job. So guys, just keep watching. You see I'm using my plier right now. I'm using my plier. My materials now are what at use. They are available to use because now they are no longer just sitting in the table. I have my plier with me right now, and I'm using my plier to bend my beading hook. So you can see I'm giving it a bend, because if you don't bend it, you won't be able to fix in the round hook which is going to the ear. So guys, you see now I'm taking out the round pin, and I'll be fixing it in my beading hook. It's a very trickish way. It's very trickish, but if you get to see get to know it, you see that it's easy to make, very easy to make, but it's trickish, very trickish. So keep watching guys and see the tricks I use on designing this beautiful and simple dangling earring.